Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Abdul Rahman. I'm student of grade 9th Indian School Doha, Qatar. In this video, we are going to solve the question number 2. Okay, the sub question number 2 of question number 7 from exercise 2.5. Now, this is our second last question of the question number 7. Okay, now this question is evaluate the following using suitable identities. Okay, now the question is we have to evaluate all of these three questions. So we have finished our first one. So before going to the second one, I suggest you all to see the first one. Okay, now we are having 102. So how can we write it? If we take x plus y whole cube, then that will be equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right? Okay, so we can use this property because we are having plus. Okay, because we are having plus. Now how can we get that plus and how can we get x and y, right? Because in the bracket we are having only one number. If we take that as x, then how can we take y? So we need the value of both, right? Now what we can do is we can take 100 plus 2 whole cube, right? We can take this step so that we will get 102 cube whole cube, right? Now we can take x cube. Now the value of x will be 100 and the value of y will be 2. Okay, now let's take x cube. So x cube is 100 cube, then plus 2 cube, then plus 3 into 100 into 2, then into 100 plus 2. Okay, so this was our first step. Now let's see the second step. Now our second step will be the cube. Now if we add, right, now 100 in 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, what we need to do is just multiply the ones first so that we will get 1 as it is. Then write all the zeros as it is. So 2, 4 and 6, right? So 2, 4 and 6, that will be 2, 4, 6 zeros. Fine. Now we are having 1 million. Okay, then we are having plus 2 cube. So 2 cube will be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we are having 8. Okay, then 3 into 100. Now all the signs are positive. Okay, so that's why we will not change the sign. Now 2 into 100. But before that we can just do 2 into 3. 3 into 2, that will be 6. So 6 into 100 will be 600. Into 100 plus 2. Or you can write it as 102. Okay, now this was our second step. Now let's move to the third step. Okay, now our third step will be, let me pick up my maths book that felt. Okay, now we are having 102. So we have to multiply 600 into 102, right? What we can do, just do it. We don't need to add the zeros. Okay, we will forget about the zeros and just take 6. We will take 6 and multiply it with 102. Okay, into 6. Okay, now 6 2s are 12, 6 zeros are 0 plus 1 1, then 6 1s are 6, right? 612. So these two zeros we are going to add over here. Okay, now we are getting 612. Now let me write the third step. Plus 8 plus 600. Okay, now we have to check what are the signs. Okay, this was our third step. Now let's move to the last step. Okay, now our last step will be 1 million plus 8 plus 61,200. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let me rewrite the number. Okay, then plus 8. Okay, now 0 plus 0 plus 8 will be 8 and nothing else, right? So we will write everything as it is. Now we can tell that this is our answer. Okay, 1061 208, or we can tell it as 1,61,208. Okay, so this was our answer for the question number 2 from exercise sub question number 2 of question number 7 from exercise 2.5. Now let's move to the last question in our next video, inshallah. So till that, thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.